These are beautiful clouds. It was windy. We're having a windstorm again. And I did a live stream today and it's Sunday. Mr. Kitty made an appearance. He hasn't really made an appearance in a long time. But there he is. Oops, sorry. Let's walk around and show you guys. There's Mr. Kitty. Mr. Kitty. Then Sir Pugs. Yeah, so I'm not sure what we're up to today. Where is your problem? She wants outside. I just thought I'd make a short clip video. Wind watch. It was really, really, really windy. Look at how dark the clouds are. I'm trying to make sure I get some of the wind. This is the neighbor's tarp. Keeps blowing. I'm trying to get for this vlog how windy it is because it was nice and windy a few minutes ago. So we'll see if it gets more windy again. Yeah. It's a little windy, you can tell by the tarp and the leaves. See? The dogs want outside. So maybe I'll let the dogs out. Right? You girls still want outside, or are you guys over it? Hi, Ange. Good to see ya. I think they're over it. Well, next clip, hopefully we'll have more wind. Listen to that wind. Hear it? Here it goes. Girls want it out, so let them out. Egypt is right over here. The girls just love it being over there. Flying everywhere. There's the wind. That's how crazy the wind is. Here and there. Crazy. I know, right, girls? That's how crazy the wind is. Look at the leaves blowing. Still wanted to show you guys the wind. Remy, that's enough. Here it is. Here it goes. Okay, close this. That is our wind for the day. It's crazy. And Miss Remy's like, chillax, wind, no barking. Or no, you need to stop. Remy, no barking, but you know. Ah, that's our wind, y'all. Ah, she stole my seat. There she is. Hi. You sitting with me? You're so cute. Look how close these two are. Like, seriously? What is going on? Like, I never seen this in a while. Like, seriously, that's so cute. And then we have Buster. Sweet little boy Buster. And then there's Angel. Fluffy cat Angel. Look at the bunny. Look at the bunny. Aw, so cute. Yeah. She stole my seat again, but I love her. And there's my happy girl, Miss Remy tonight. Yeah, oh, who's a good girl, Each? You wagging your tail as well? Yeah, who's a good girl, Remy? Hello, how are you? You're so cute. You're so cute. Hello, hello. Hi, Bella. Hi. Remy's like, what's going on? My sister's laughing. Hi, Bella. This is for the vlog.
So confused. She's like, what the hell is that?
Oh my gosh. Hi, Bella. How are you doing?
Don't you go.
No.
I know, but
The
like,
girl
I don't
has-
want to
Oh,
fight.
yep. Look, she's getting mad at her.
All right, bye, Belle. Oh my gosh. Also, before I go, guys, it's Angel's Gotcha Day and Bella's birthday. Happy birthday, Bella. She's in the other room. I'll show you a clip. And yeah, happy Gotcha Day, Angel. April 5th, we got him 14 years ago. So cute. He's tired. Good morning, Angel. Good morning, Buster. Good morning, Remy. Good morning, Egypt. Look at our beautiful sky, guys. Not really that beautiful, but anyways. It is the 5th of April, 2020, and I'm going to end the vlog, I guess. Hug your pets, love your pets, and don't stop believing in yourself. And yeah, see y'all later.